Good morning. I'm Rick Rys. I'm the Director of Consulting at ARC. And today I have the pleasure of speaking with Inderpreet Shoker, we know her as Preet, who is the Director of Research at ARC. So Preet, tell me what the connected worker technologies are.
Rick, when we talk about connected worker technologies, I think still the definition is really broad in the industry and it's used very loosely. But typically, we see end users, what they want to do. They want to empower their workforce. They want to connect their workforce with their co-workers, subject matter experts. They want to connect them with the databases. They want to connect them with assets. Basically, they want them to have the right information at the right time and give them access to digital tools. And basically all these technologies that can help us do that can be considered as a part of the umbrella term connected worker technologies.
So Preet, how is AI, artificial intelligence, impacting the communication of the connected worker initiatives?
AI is definitely having a very positive impact on when we call it, connected worker technologies. Some of the application areas we are seeing is one is remote collaboration, where you can communicate with your co-workers, with your subject matter experts, and we are seeing the use of augmented reality to enhance the communication. Basically, it's not just audio and video, but you can use AR tags and you can basically communicate more effectively, and that's where we see the use of AI with some of these AR features. Another part of it is training. There is a skills gap in the industry, so what we want to do is that we want to train our workers as quickly, as effectively as possible. So AI-powered connected worker technologies can help end users create training lessons very quickly and efficiently. AI can, help pull different manuals, different videos, and embed it in the training lessons to make it more effectively.
I see.
Another area is digital procedures. End users are digitizing a lot of the tasks, inspection records, checklists that used to be paper-based, and now they're digitizing it. AI is helping to make that transition much easier. AI tools can scan your printed documents, your manuals, your checklists, and quickly convert them into digital documents. So AI has been helping in numerous different ways to just, help end users get onto the digital transformation quickly.
So Preet, outside of artificial intelligence, what other technologies are impacting the connected worker initiatives?
A few different technologies. One is definitely robotics. That's the technology we think is going to have greatest impact in the next few years. In fact, at ARC we do a survey every year where we ask end users, what are the technologies that you are investing in and that will make an impact in the next few years? Robotics appeared at number one on the list. We are already hearing a lot about humanoid robots. In the industrial world, it won't be humanoids at first, but we are seeing investment in various kind of robots, mobile robots, quadruped robots, and we'll see them more and more in our plants in the next 5 years. Another, of course, technology is AI agents. As we are already hearing from end users, they have started implementing AI agents in different areas as well. AI agents basically, they follow multi-step instructions. They can do easier task, I would say, like assigning a work order and then filling up a record as well, pulling in information from various different sources. So we'll see AI agents being in the field as kind of your digital worker, your robots in the field, kind of your digital worker, and of course your human workers as well. So the new workforce in the next 5 years, I would say, would look a little bit different, where we'll have our human workers, we have our digital worker, which is AI agents and robots. I think that will be new workforce of future.
Preet, thank you so much for your insights. We hope you have an enjoyable time at the rest of the ARC forum.
Thank you for having me, Rick. It was my pleasure.